Now, a network consists of two main categories or two main components. We have what's called the physical components that are used to create a physical topology, and here we are physically connecting devices to each other using various types of cables. We may be using Ethernet cables as shown here. We may be using optical cables or fiber cables. And more these days, we use the air to connect devices to each other. We also have the logical connection or logical topology, and this discusses how data is transported across physical cables or across the air in a wireless environment. So how is data actually transferred or transported from one device to another? That's the logical connection made between devices. Various protocols are used to do this. Think of a protocol as a type of language. So at the moment I'm speaking English, but a protocol called IP or Internet Protocol is used for communication in a lot of networks today. When physical cabling is used, you would plug an Ethernet cable, such as in this example, into what's called a network interface card or NIC on a PC. Network interface cards give your PC the physical capability to connect to a network. If a wireless device such as an iPad or an iPhone or a Mac was used to connect to a wireless network, a wireless network interface card is used to enable that device to send and receive data through wireless transmission across the air. That's very similar to a traditional radio receiving radio signals from a broadcaster so that you can listen to music while driving. In the same way, your iPad is receiving data through the use of airwaves and is also transmitting back to a wireless router as an example. A traditional radio just receives signals, but other devices can transmit and receive, and in the same way, your iPad or PC is transmitting and receiving data through the use of radio waves.